There are strong forces out there.
Forces of Mother Nature.
And forces like a mother.
There are times
and even moments in life that force us to pause.
We know these moments because they involve those who matter. Those who we love.
Some fights are silent, while others we can see.
We know these moments.
These I'll never forget moments.
Because we know these people.
Here at Community Electric,
we love our community.
we love you!
This issue is near and dear to our hearts because it's impacted so many of those that we know and love. Let's take it seriously, let's get involved, let's be active, and let's fight.